Instead, let's look over here. Where, ooh, you know? Okay, I got two choices here. These clearly labeled bottles of citric acid. You know, maybe if I flip this. Is this, now I can't see me. Citric acid and phosphoric acid. So the question is, when do you use one versus the other? Well, do you want more phosphorus? Do you want more of this? I don't know. I'm gonna trip and fall, and that'd be great for live TV, right? So, and sometimes diversity is key. I will say I do feel like from experience and from what I've read, phosphoric acid seems to be a really straight shooter, right? You add phosphorus, it's not a complicated thing like citric acid. Like citric acid, I'm reading about how it's buffering, how it can do other things. It can act as a chelate for certain things. And I've found like using citric acid almost seems like sometimes unexpected stuff can happen. I don't want to add more phosphorus to this. I don't. I think I added an all-purpose yesterday. So I'd already add some phosphorus. And these really, I'm pushing greening more than anything. I want more vegetative growth. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go with citric acid. And to start, you know, it's not as concentrated. I'm gonna add 50 mLs. No, that's way too much, that's insane. Is that insane? All right, got my measurer. Yeah, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do 50 mLs. That's fine, okay? Now you might be saying, that's not a clean measuring cup. It's not. It would be better if it was, but it's not going into a clean environment. I'm not worried about sterile, so it's okay. I just need to make sure I read it. I used it for pH up, I believe, before. All right, let's see, let's get that level. See that? Okay. I wonder if there's a way to fix that mirroring issue. Yeah, phosphorus, yeah, right? Thank you. I'm seeing some comments, thank you. Yes, phosphorus can wreck your lawn. You gotta be really careful with phosphorus. It's tricky, it basically locks out other things like calcium and magnesium. So when you start jacking up your phosphorus, other things might go haywire. You know, it's funny, it's like if you overdo nitrogen or underdo it, it seems to be pretty straightforward. You see not enough green or too much green. So, all right, so the way I'm gonna add this is a little hack for you if you're running flood and rain, and it's also really fun. This is gonna be so fun because I feel like a little kid playing like with a sandbox sometimes. Okay, so we're gonna just take this guy out. Now watch this. Oh yeah, now when I add this, you can see it just siphons it right in, and that'll mix it. So now it won't, you know, it won't just sit there in a puddle not mixing, right? I'm really mixing this around this way. Okay. Ooh, beautiful. Siphoning. Doesn't that look nice? Okay. So, now I also want to show you guys why mixing matters, because we'll be able to see it pretty clearly. Watch this, ready? So I'm gonna take a pH measurement in here quickly. All right, around six, right down here. What do we think? Cold, hotter, cooler? 4.2, Really acidic, okay? So, let me ask you guys this.